Yoo-hoo! I'll make you... Wait, what? Don't worry, Billy. I was just hacking on you. Hey, Billy, you ever kill a man? Yeah. What for? He was hacking on me.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
Okay, you're probably saying, Concrete Blonde? What is Jay doing with his old cassette tape? Well, I have a cassette player. Sorry, my phone's on a charger, on a USB, so I can't. Anyway, I have a cassette player. I have some cassette tapes. This one decided to break. So I am officially splicing my Concrete Blonde tape back together. Will it work? Well, there's a J up there, an upside down J, so maybe that's a good sign. Yeah, I love my collection. I will like do whatever it takes. Let's find out if she works. You guys probably want to see the name. Did I show you the name? Walking in London. Okay. We're going to try this out. Hey, morning, Sylvia. Jen, ladies, keep making them movies. Whoa, okay. Oh, yeah. sunsetting magic. Okay, here comes a bunch of cars. But I'm going to show you something cool anyway. You can read if they're really noisy. You got to see what's coming to Farmington. All right. Chung 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 chung. They're not quite open yet, but this is the place. It's their own special brews. Their own special brews. They've already got the stuff in there. Looks really cool. What I always say, it's gonna be wicked. And they're gonna have, at first I thought it was gonna be a brewski / restaurant, but they're gonna have food trucks out here. See how that looks up against the sun. Anyway, that's gonna be cool. That's so cool. Beautiful. Yeah, it turned out. Peace. What do you think, kitty? Meow, meow, meow. Well, look what I got you. I stored it in hitherto this box. Fresh from a birdie. Okay, let's put that aside. Look, it's brand new. You didn't have to pull it yourself. Pre-pulled. You like it? Wow. Do something with it. It's like Christmas. Meow meow.
You always knew how to make me smile. Oh, ouch, kabibble.